morning, guys. It's probably a week after Christmas. I've literally just worked the past 4 days straight, and today is my first day off. But I do work at 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, so that means I have to go to bed at like 8 tonight. Basically just been running around for the past hour, running errands, trying to get some stuff sorted out for my passport because it like just expired. And then I picked up breakfast on the way home. This is the JB bowl from 3 Natives, literally best acai ever. And then I have a couple of packages that I picked up that I figured we could unbox together. So the first package is from Origins. This is from Influencer. I think I talked about them one time in another vlog, where basically they'll send you like free products and all you really have to do is review them. So this is their new Pretty in Bloom Flower Infused Long Wearing Foundation. So that is what that looks like. I'll have to test it out the next couple of days. So thank you for that. I'll be reviewing that soon. And then the next package is from Alma Bikinis. So I got 3 separate sets from them, and then each like piece ended up only being like 10 bucks. So I had to get a bunch. But the first one is their Yogi top in their Midtown shade. And then I got the matching bottoms for those. And then this one is the Toby top in the Biscayne shade, again with matching bottoms. And then the last one is their tri top in their tutu color. So super pretty, and these are the Camilla bottoms. So love that. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out. By the way, I cut my hair like 2 days ago. It's been a while, but it's so short and so weird, but I haven't even had to like brush it or anything, just because like it doesn't get naughty like when I dyed it. But I do really want to dye it back, but I don't know, it's kind of nice not really having to do my hair. I'm actually going to be going home today, probably for most of the day, because I have to pick up the rest of the stuff that I left from Christmas. It just would not all fit in my car. And then I'm probably gonna go and surf a little sunset session because low tide is at 6 and the wind should calm down, so it looks like it could be okay. I'm probably gonna meet my friend Jake. He's actually a film major at University of Tampa, and he always offers to like take the drone out and film when I surf, so that's gonna be super exciting. And hopefully it's not gonna be too cold. Maybe I'll wear the new bikinis. But for now, I'm just going to eat my acai bowl and then get a couple of videos edited. So I actually do freelance videography, and then this was a shoot that we did probably like a week ago. And right now I'm working on a project for like high school recruitment videos. So it's like athletes in high school who want to get recruited for college. I also have to edit the Christmas vlog because I'm super behind, and then I have another project that I'm working on for another company. So lots to do today before we leave, and like I said, I have to go to bed in 8 hours. So 2 hours later, and we are getting ready to leave. Thankfully, all the boards and stuff are already back at home, so I'm not gonna have to lug it to Melbourne, but I'm gonna have to bring everything back to my apartment today. And that's like everything that I brought for Christmas break, everything I got over Christmas. So it's gonna be a lot of stuff that I'm gonna have to like unpack and organize. So that's gonna be really exciting, really fun. But anyways, I'm waiting for the tide to still drop, so I will either go home and pick up all the stuff if the waves still don't look good by the time I get there, or ideally I will go surf and then pick up all the stuff on my way back up to Orlando. So we'll see what happens, just kind of play it by ear, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back home. So I checked the cams probably like 10 minutes ago, and I'm gonna wait a little bit for the tide to kind of shallow out a little bit more. I went ahead and called Jake and told him that I didn't really want him to film today, just because I want him to film on days where it's like good, where I know I can surf good, you know? So it's just kind of like wind sloppy today. So I just decided to not take the drone out today. And then of course I left the GoPro in Orlando because I was like, oh, like if it's good, I'll get drone footage. So not gonna be able to get footage surfing today, but I have another thing that I think is even better. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick some Christmas gifts that I didn't show in my Christmas vlog. And this one is from Jake. So, but this is actually like a really nice little metal, I don't know, like it's like a picture. It's a picture, and I cannot wait to hang this up in my house, but that's me. And this is actually one of the pictures from one of our last drone sessions a couple of weeks ago. So instead of not giving you guys any surfing footage today, because there's literally no way for me to film, I'm actually going to be inserting this old footage from probably 2 or 3 weeks ago when he filmed. So thank you, Jake, for that. I'm super stoked, and thank you for always being down to take the drone out and film me when you're in town. So a couple more Christmas presents. So I got my own set of knives, and they're super cute. There's like a bunch of really pretty like different colors for it. So my mom got me a knife set. And then my grandma also got me a bunch of books for Christmas. So my favorite author is Rick Riordan. He's amazing. I'm obsessed with Greek mythology. So I have the first 9 Inch Chase book. I think I'm halfway through it, but I also got the second and the third to complete that collection. And then I also got the first 3 books in the Trials of Apollo. This is a book set that came with all 3 of them, but there's actually 4 books in this series. I don't know why they wouldn't put the 4th one. It's a series, you know, but whatever. Once I get through these 3, I'll probably just buy the 4th book. So I got that, which is really exciting. That's pretty much all the extra stuff I have to show you guys. So now I have to start organizing and putting everything in that bin. Probably just like an hour, but it was actually a lot more fun than I thought it was gonna be. Super small, literally like 1 foot tall, so overall it was fun, but I definitely think there was way too many people out for how good it was. Like it wasn't that good for that many people to be out. But I blame Surfline because I found every single time Surfline says that a spot is going to be fair, it's absolutely packed, even though it looks like trash sometimes. I'm gonna take this stupid wetsuit off and I will see you guys at home. Hello guys, I'm back home. It's 8 o'clock, so it's literally the time that I was hoping to actually fall asleep at, so it's not gonna happen, but I'm about to hop in the shower and then go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.